Okay, folks, it's time to pack up the truck to head outdoors to see the one and only hunting, fishing, camping.
Hey there, folks. How you guys can see me. I didn't bring a light or anything out with me to use to do my YouTube videos with. So, that being said, we're going to go over here try to catch us some more shad. They're busting the water, some big ones. So, we're going to throw out a cast net a few times. I've already did it once. Caught a bunch of little ones and one big one, but I want some bigger ones. And we keep a few little ones. So, I'm going to throw back what I already got in here in my bucket. So that being said, you guys stay tuned, and hopefully we'll have us a good catfish, because we're going to do a little nighttime fishing here. Perfect weather, it's nice and cool. The water temperature for the surface is around 62 degrees, but it's just about right, folks. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump on into this video. Gotta hook up. Oh my. Oh, folks, this is a good one. Goodness sakes. Oh my goodness. He's pulling good. Good gracious. Nice. Oh my goodness. Here he comes. Oh, folks, look what I got a hold of. Yep. Oh my goodness. I got a hold of a nice one here. Oh, come here, come here. Let's get him up here. Right here, folks. Bad. What a channel. There we go. Bad. Right here. Probably about 15. I wouldn't say 15. I'd say probably pushing 13-pound channel. Let's turn him loose. There you go. Whew. That was a good little fight for us, folks. Yeah. Cheers to that one. Something just pulled on this one. Uh-oh. There we go. Got another one. Boy, he hit a little funny. Oh my goodness. Doesn't hear pulling, folks. Oh, he's pulling good. I think he's a little channel. Yep, another little channel. This one a little more. throw my bait off. Look at that. Red. There you go, folks. There's another one in the boat. A littler one. There he goes. Oh. It's a little blue. Oh, my God. Thing fell off. There, folks, another nice channel. Probably about 12 pounder. There go, boy. You gotta let go. Darn fish. Won't let go of my. There. Ah. I looked over and my float was gone. Whew. Whew, whew. There's a little one, folks. Goodness sakes. This one. I thought so. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there's a good one. Got a double hooks. I seen it go doink. It dang it. This was staying on the bottom. This is a good one. Might be a flatty. Nope, another crank. No. Channel. Chinny. I'm gonna let this one sit. Right here. While we get this one off. Whew. Got double on, folks. Yeah, this one's a little one. I think I got something hitting that other one. There we go. That one, folks. A little video channel. He goes down. Let's get this bait back out there. Heck is this stuff? Well, let's rehook it. There we go. Bail back up. We're messing up this one. Needs a little bit bigger. That's me, folks. Come here. Get off. Situated here. Don't you smack me. Man, I'm telling you what. I pulled a couple nice ones out here tonight. There's another good one. Guys, take a look at there. Another nice one. Cut it. You don't like me grabbing him. Well, about 10 pounder. If you can let me let go. There we go. Alrighty. So there you go, folks. I hope this little video you guys liked what I'm getting ready to post out there for you to view. Something happened to between where I left, where I was at, to the boat ramp. I didn't get my ending where I was ending the video for some reason, and I also was showing you guys in the background a beautiful sunset, but well, it got lost, and that's okay. We'll just move on, and hopefully this video comes out good for you guys and you enjoy it. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and end the video here. I just want to thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you for the ones subscribe. If you haven't, please do so, and tell a friend, family, neighbor about it as well, because I surely would appreciate it, folks. And like I always say, God bless and good luck to the upcoming hunting, fishing, camping here in 2021, folks. We'll catch you guys till next time.
Ahead I go to see the one and only hunting, fishing, camping, because it's big and I go.